some money. This is a customer's car. It's my brother's car. I have a friend that usually get the oil for me for around that same price, but apparently, he forgot to order it for me, so we was forced to, go to an actual shop and buy it and pay retail price. But it happens. We got it. Amsoil, like I said, it's easier to come by. The fluid is really good. It's been around for many, many years. And everybody's gonna tell you stick to Dairy Queen, stick to Dairy Queen, because that's what it says in the owner manual. That's what the dealers are saying. As a certified technician, when I worked at the dealer, we are trained to tell you that. We are trained to tell you to use our product or have our name on it, because we want business. We don't want you going nowhere else and getting fluids that's compatible with your car. You understand what I'm saying? Ask yourself, when I worked at Chrysler, when the Hellcats came out, what they was taking, Pennzoil. I think 020 or 040. It's been a while, Pennzoil. You think these guys that are built in their Hellcats 10 seconds, 9 seconds, you think they still using Pennzoil? No, they're not. They're probably using Mobile One, Motul, Amsoil, Redline. They're using something else. So using Amsoil is an upgrade. They have better additives in it, better wear protection, and is approved by Mitsubishi. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys right here. All right. So this is the oil. You need 8 quarts when you're doing the service on your Evo SST. You got to get your filter. Okay. Transmission filter. All right. That's your filter. The suction cup faces up. This is the housing it sits in. Make sure it comes with an O-ring. Before you put it in, lube up that O-ring real good. Put it in just like this, straight down. Sits flush, okay, and then you screw it in. All right. You don't have to get an OEM one. Jack's transmission. Jack's transmission sells for like $30. All right. Another thing, back to Amsoil really quick. Not only that's easier to come by, but when I was first doing the service on my Evo, I called Jack's Transmission. I've done a lot of business with Jack's Transmission. I bought a lot of parts off them. They did a lot of, semi-builds on my DSM, GSX transmission. And I asked one of the techs there, I forgot his name, about the SST. And he told me straight up, Steve, we could go Amsoil or Redline. It doesn't matter. I said, what do you prefer? He said, Amsoil. I said, why? He says, Steve, we built these transmissions here. And when we built them back to stock. Or if the customer wants, a 10-second, MR or 9-second, this is the fluid that we're using. We haven't had any callbacks, any problems, anything. We're using Amsoil. So I said, you know what? I'll take your word from it, because Jack's Transmission's been around for many, many years. They do good work. People that know about transmissions and know about Mitsubishis or GTRs, Jack's Transmission is the way to go. So, I take anything that they give me. So back to Amsoil. Boom. All right. 8 quarts. You can see here, you got your filter. DCT, dual clutch fluid. Turn it around. Okay. As you can see, everything that's here on the label. Let me see if I can focus you guys real quick. Now, uses and dual clutch transmission that require any of the following specification. So we have BMW here. I'm trying to zoom in, guys, so give me a minute. Okay, we have Chrysler here. We have Ferrari. We have Fiat, Ford, Mercedes-Benz. Keyword, Mitsubishi, Dairy Queen, SST. Right there. SSTFI. Nissan GTR. Okay. Porsche, Volvo, Volkswagen, Audi. Outstanding wear protection, excellent performance, and extreme heat and cold, designed to prevent shudder. Amsoil. Says it right here. Mitsubishi. Now, You know Mitsubishi's trademark copyright. Amsoil cannot throw Mitsubishi on their labels unless it's approved by Mitsubishi. Remember that. You gotta remember that. So when Amsoil made this fluid,